How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix wire is not closed in FreeCAD. So if you navigate through your sketch and if you click on path, it will then say that the wire is not closed for how many of times, depending on your sketch right here. Now, the reason is because our sketch is actually messed up. There's openings and there's things that we actually have to go ahead and edit before we can achieve this. So once again, I'm just going to put a sketch. And if you want to go ahead and do this flawlessly, I suggest just closing every thing or every line that you have onto your plane. Now, as an example, I'm going to use a line right here. And then we're just going to draw it this way. And then I'm specifically not going to close it out. And I'm also going to extend it like this. Now, once again, if you try to pad this, it will then show up that the wire is not closed for how many of times. So let's go back to our sketch. And what you want to do is to just go ahead and close out all the gaps. And then you also want to use the trim edges option, which is going to be this one. And just click on the overhanging lines that you have. And now if you click on path, it should go ahead and work flawlessly. And you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.